Did you know that koalas have fingerprints that are almost indistinguishable from human fingerprints? It's true. In fact, their unique patterns are so similar that they can confuse forensic scientists. Imagine a crime scene where a koala leaves its mark. Investigators might struggle to tell if it's a human or a koala's print. This fascinating similarity is due to the intricate loops and whorls found in both species. While humans have evolved these patterns for grip and dexterity, koalas use theirs for climbing trees and gripping eucalyptus leaves. It's a remarkable example of convergent evolution, where different species develop similar traits to adapt to their environments. Interestingly, koala fingerprints are so detailed that they can even retain their unique patterns for years, just like ours. This